Hibachi.
It's Gravy Girl
and Gravy Mom.
And today we're going to be doing the Pancake Art Challenge. We have all the rainbow colors here. We have 10 different challenges that we have to do in this blue bucket. And then we have our little spatula from SpongeBob. So let's get started. Let me pick. I got watermelon.
Watermelon. Okay.
That's in my side.
Bam.
Side. That's hot.
Bam.
So,
Mommies
Gravy Mom.
and Gravy Girl.
so vote for the Wamper, W-A-M-P-E-R, or
What? W-A-M Wamper? What do you spell it?
Oh,
Ah,
not A, okay. And Team
I'm just Gravy Mom and you're Gravy Girl.
Team V-neck.
Whatever, bro. Alright. Next one.
Doo-ka-doo-ka-doo.
Virgin Island drink. So just so you guys know, we went with like a summer theme for all the ones we chose. And
I don't
we're
know what this
gonna
looks like. I need the green.
make a little drink. Gonna make a nice little pina colada.
I'm just gonna make a little cup
Pina
with
colada.
some drink in it, and then there's an umbrella coming out. That's my
Okay.
strategy.
This is gonna be hard to flip without it breaking. What are you making? Alright. Mine's ready to flip.
No, mine is too.
Alright, come on. I have to flip it in 2 pieces.
Whoa, whoa.
Boom.
Alright.
Wait.
Mine is gonna burn. Give me the spatula. Oh man.
Your freaking thing is not.
Oh, it's
I'm
gonna be
flip
hard.
it this way.
Ooh, fun. Nice straw.
Still.
You just touched it?
My umbrella fell off.
Okay. Okay, so this is the cup. Close up, please. This is the cup, and then I have the pina colada right here, and then this is the umbrella on top.
Boom, mommies.
Okay. This one is mine. This is the cup with the drink in it and the straw and the umbrella.
This is way better. Hey, my turn.
Okay.
An umbrella. Mom.
Hibachi.
Okay, I got umbrella.
An umbrella. All right.
Under my umbrella.
Ready, go.
Oh.
Sabotager. mushroom.
Haterade.
Stop!
Struggle bus.
I'm gonna let yours burn. I'm gonna take mine.
This is a character from Minecraft, and we're gonna do a creeper head. This one was a fail.
Mommy!
Bam!
Boom.
Added to the tray of greatness. Get Sissy with the shark. Get her. Just do what you can, baby.
I just have to use my hand.
And that is GraveyGirl's creeper.
Don't mind the little.
Maybe we should have Googled a picture of a creeper so we knew what it looked like.
Well, we play Minecraft 24/7. We should know what it looks like.
Round 5.
We got a flower.
Let's do it. Let's do it. A diamond sword from Minecraft.
Comment down below Gravy's, because hers is about to rip and I'm going to sabotage her. Sabotage! She sabotaged herself.
Diamond sword. Looks good there.
Thank you, baby dad. Thank you.
Gravy
She's
girl.
talking to me.
Yours look super good.
We got the... Dun, 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 dun.
The beach.
The beach.
Okay, you start with the sand.
We got the beach and the sand and the little pebbles. We got the sun and the little bucket. That's gonna go onto the beach. Go on the beach.
Oh.
Boom. Look how good that looks.
That looks super good.
We got the horses in the back.
Hey.
Horse stock is tight.
Right, a horse.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make an orange horse.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to turn my horse into a unicorn.
She's a cheater. She copied me.
And give it a horn. Spain.
His neck is ginormous.
Bam.
Next up.
Alright, we got 2 left and grapes. I'm gonna make red grapes, but that
You should just make green grapes.
well, there's not that much green left. I'm gonna steal the green right now because I'm gonna use green for the stem. Bam, 1 step ahead of you. Let's go.
Then here.
Oh, you're making a bowl of grapes?
Yeah.
A bowl with grapes in it? Yeah. That's cool. Let me
Creative.
flip mine, please.
It's gonna burn. It's gonna burn.
Better put your grapes in the bowl.
Great, number 1.
Get the grapes in the bowl. Get the grapes.
Grapes in the bowl. Grapes in the bowl.
Ow. Alright, guys. There's
The
my
competition is
grapes.
tough.
Show her bowl of grapes right here. This is her bowl of grapes.
Bowl of
Close up,
grapies.
please. Close up, please. And this is my bunch of grapes. A bunch
cherries.
of grapes.
Fat
Alright, last
grapes.
but not least, let's see if we can remember what was the last one we had.
Bird.
A bird. Let's do it.
Ah!
Pick whatever color you want.
Making a blue jay.
Making a blue jay? I'm gonna make a. You know what? I'm just gonna go all out and make Tweety Bird. Let's do it.
Mine looks like a shark.
This is a bird. A canary. That's a yellow bird, I think.
You're right.
Mine got the eye blue and then the eyeball
Her
yellow.
bird
and the
is
beak.
like mid flying in the air, and my bird's just standing there chilling. I think Ryan might have beat me on that one there.
I would have to say so.
flying in the air.
So thanks for watching our video, guys. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our Pancake Art Challenge, and comment down below who you think won. Subscribe to our channel. Take it away, Gravy Girl.
Then give this a huge like if you liked it, and don't forget to eat your grapes.